Today we are going to show you how easily clogged drain can be unclogged. I apologize for the sound quality, a little echoey, because we are in the bathroom where we have a clogged drain. We are going to use Drano Max Gel. This stuff is excellent. It'll unclog your drain. If it doesn't, it's free. So here we go. To prove to you the drain is clogged, we're going to run a little water here and then wait for it to go down. We're going to do this in real time, so it may be a little bit longer. Here we go. Alright, so there's a little bit of water. You can see it's kind of slowly draining. It's puddled up. It does well with small amounts, but if we were to fill this tub, it would stay forever. Okay, so we put some water in the tub now. You can see here along the edge of the tub there's some lines. This is because when someone takes a shower in here, the bottom fills up because it just drains so slowly. And then that line there is the scum line after every time someone takes a shower. So we're going to unclog this right away with some Drano gel. Basically, all you really have to do is just pour it down. So we open it up here, take this gel, and we're going to use about 3/4 of it because this is a pretty big clog. I'm just going to dump it right there on top of the drain. Save a little bit for a sink. And then all you do is let that stuff go. Look at how it sucks it right down into the drain. This stuff is specifically designed to go right into a clog and practically just attack it. So that's it. Now you wait for about a half an hour and then flush the drain with some hot water. So we're going to let this sit for a half an hour and flush this drain when we come back. So now we just flush this with hot water and let it work. Okay, there we go. That's some really hot water. The steam is coming up, and you can see it is draining really fast. It's keeping right up with the water. You can see that soap line there moving down. And that is how you unclog that drain with some Drano. It's a huge difference, very significant difference. The stuff works, so I won't be getting my money back on that one. But if you have a clogged drain, check out the link in the description below to pick up some of that Drano gel.